Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be opening my February Bomibox. It is pretty late, but I don't know if something was wrong with my mail or what, but I was late on a couple of my boxes, and today 4 of them in the mailbox. So this is the first of many. It's going to be a busy day. So Bomibox, they have some of the most beautiful boxes, and they're always different. Alright, we got our little tissue. Pardon me. Put some of these dealy bops up here. Hopefully you can see right into the box. Q. No Problem Primer. Honey, shh. My JoJo is scratching herself very vigorously over here. It's got dust all over it. It's making me cough. Aloe BHA Skin Toner. Exciting. This looks like Benton. Yes, Benton. I've gotten this before and I actually really liked it a lot. This is the Fixins Keep Cool Soothing Mist. Sorry, there's dust all over everything. It has like this little layer of stuff. You shake it up and you spray it on your face. It's really good. Glow Hell. More moist, more glow. Total Solution Glow Ampule Pad. I don't know what the heck I'm looking at here. Oh, there's a whole bunch of little papers in it. So I'll look at the container. It's really pretty iridescent packaging though. I am super, don't fall everything. I am super psyched about this one. I've always wanted to order this Rice Water Bright, the Face Shop Light Cleansing Oil. So excited. Let's see what else. We got Pacific Origin Toner, Fresh Herb. Cool. This has been a really popular brand lately too. And then of course an Innisfree mask, Rose, and an Etude House Aloe. Awesome. Let me just scooch all these dilly balls back in here. And oh, the insert. I was gonna review the insert with you guys, but of course the insert is electronic. So pardon my reach. Just gotta grab the mouse here and pull it up. Sorry about that. Exciting news though, while I'm pulling the info card for this month's box up. Last month I got this in the mail. This is my second January Bomibox. I don't know why, but I got a second one. I emailed Bomibox and they said do whatever you want with it. So I'm going to share it with you guys. Yay! So this is a giveaway. So this is January's Bomibox. I literally got a second one in the mail. I haven't really touched it, but just to show you guys, everything is still intact. It's awesome. So if you want to see what's in there, you can check out my video for the Bomibox January 2019. This is going to be just like every other giveaway I do. Basically, you are going to you're going to comment, I don't know, something fun, your favorite food, let's say. Comment your favorite food and subscribe, and I will pick a winner Monday morning. You have one till Wednesday night to respond, and I'll ship it out next weekend. Bomibox. Like, comment your favorite food, subscribe. You get a free, or you get a chance to win a free January 2019 Bomibox. Back to this Bomibox. Sorry about that delay. One thing, I love Bomibox, but I hate they don't put a freaking insert in the box. Okay. Glow Hill Total Solution Glow Ampule Pad is an exfoliating pad that gently removes dead skin cell without irritation. I'm really excited about this. Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. Big pores, uneven texture, no problem. Pore perfecting primer leaves skin flawless and glowing. I'm excited about that because I have big pores. The Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Light Oil. Refreshing, brightening, cleansing oil effectively cleanses away impurities and heavy makeup from skin with this light, watery texture. This is your first step cleanser. Keep Cool Soothe Fixins Mist, 60 mils. Cult favorite mist combines a moisturizing oil layer and refreshing water layer to keep your skin glowing all day long. Pacific Toner, 90% calendula extract toner, now in a travel-friendly size. Delivers a potent moisturizing effect made with papaya enzymes and malt extracts. Awesome. Benton Aloe BHA Skin Toner, packed with skin benefiting ingredients such as aloe and salicylic acid. Awesome. And then the 2 mask, which I've gotten both of these before. So awesome, awesome, awesome box by Bomibox. It's pretty late. This is the February box. It's March 9th, but okay, and also no insert. But aside from all that, they're a great box. They have lots of stuff. They're in the mid-30s price range. I'm going to leave all the details and a link below in the comment box. And please, if you're interested in winning this box, please like, comment your favorite food, and subscribe. And I will let you guys know who won Monday morning. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care of yourself. Bye.